guys, it's your boy Harish. I know I never make so much videos, I just forgot. Yeah, I just ordered my new watch. It's the boat model, the nicest model in the world. I'm going to get it, and here it is. Let's open it up. I'm putting it in the wrong side. See. Let's check it out. The watch. Let's get it out. Yeah, it is on. Wait, let's check it again. Wait. Is that coming to me? Wait! See, on! I think this Audi picture on some float. Yo, look at this baby. Let's play it. So, I know how to use this one. It's on it over here. There's on it over here. There's a button over here in the watch. So you press it, see what will happen. Yeah, so there's so much settings in this watch. So just swipe like this. More. Swipe like this. So just put the screen, my favorite screen. I think this is an audio screen. Yeah, it's there. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, it's there. So, how to use this watch? Just swipe here and let's check how much I run. Oh, I run this much. Okay, here's my this thing. I don't know. Set a GP. No, we go down. This is my flat. And show all of it. And here are remotes. So, using this, I'll show you the other settings of this watch. See, we go here. This is the time where you go down. Can you see? This is the timer how much you go. Wow! I just on it. No wait. How to stop it? You have to just press so much the button. Now just press like and it stopped. So I will show you the best thing about this watch. So let's go through here. The watch. See, can you see? The timer's over here. So we press it. See, let's check. A video comes out, and you pause it and you press this back on. I think that's all for today. I think that's all. Oh no, it's not. This app cannot work, so don't use this app. You get the boat watch. This has the blue fiber. I can put one sticker. It's called boat. Boat. So funny, right? Destination. Okay. That's all for. I think so. That's not all. Okay, that's all for today. Remember to subscribe to my channel, Hanish Rathore. And remember, we have to first close it up. Wait, I'm getting poop first. I'll see what it is. Okay, I'm back, guys. So, let's close it up now. How to close up the watch? So, just do for like this. Now, can you say boat? I told you so. Boat watch. So just plug it in a little bit actually. Just come on, like that much. Now fold like this, but dot is screen slower. Okay. Now put the watch. How to put the watch? Can you see? This the like this. The pieces have to be together. See. Here the charging mode is here. But the arrow one, so you need to put the charging mode there. See. Oh, I forgot. It looks like it got roast. Okay, let's do it. Remember, you have boat watch like the blue ribbon. Remember, it's too hard to make it down to the boat. Okay, let's put it again. You remember right? The charging have to be like this. Like this. Okay. Now let's close it. Don't put it like this. It's so hard. Just put it. Can you see even hole here in the box? Just put it like this. Okay, that's all for today. I'm gonna put this back. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye. Yalla YOLO. Bye.